What was it? That was all about?
Yeah, that was all. There's only 5 in there. I ain't want you to, because if you had more in there, it would have just been crazy. You could hit all the shit.
Okay, well,
Now you got to feel for it. Oh, good. Yep.